The 2010 Volkswagen Polo by JE Design. The German tuning firm that specializes in all things VW, JE Design, has just unveiled a new body kit for the compact Volkswagen Polo. The exterior upgrades consist of a bolder front spoiler complete with a carbon fiber front lip and LED driving lights, lower hanging side skirts with vents in the back and a carbon fiber rear diffuser that frames the stainless steel twin-tip exhaust on the outside. While the interior features a host of leather-wrapped items like the steering wheel, gear shifter and emergency brake boot, while adding creature comforts like 2-stage seat warmers and quilted suede inserts as well as color-matching accent stitching. As far as performance is concerned, JE starts out by dropping the Polo by 35 mm with a set of sport springs, but tuning enthusiasts looking for more versatility will be happy to know that they also offer a set of KW coilovers for the little Polo which allow the chassis to go up to 65 mm lower than standard. The JE Design Polo rolls around on a set of either 17-inch rims that measure 7 inches across or a set of 18x 7.5-inch wheels finished in shadow silver or matte black with a color-matched lip to create one very unique Polo. Press release after the jump. Press release. Once again, JE Design confirms that they are one of the fastest tuners. The experts from Leingarten in Germany already developed an own program for the new VW Polo. Customers seeking to have a more individual, dynamic look will inevitably choose the suitable body kit by JE Design. The company delivers its components in the usual OEM quality. That means that the material is made of high-quality ABS. As all components are CNC milled, perfect fit is guaranteed. The kit for €1528 including VAT includes the front spoiler with central spoiler sword in carbon look which already renders real verve when it is still parked. The fierce look comes from the headlight blends and the powerful profile is enhanced with the side skirts. The rear skirt lip in carbon look is perfectly adjusted to the other parts and completes the aerodynamics kit. The rear skirt lip embraces the stainless steel double pipe of the sports muffler at the center while the latter renders the appropriate sound to the latest appearance €599. A main attraction is the LED daytime running light which is fitted to the vehicle front via an air inlet blend, entire set for €399. This registration-free LED daytime running light has two functions. When the dipped headlights are on, the LEDs are dimmed into parking light mode, position light. This renders a special night look. When the dipped headlight mode is off, the LEDs sparkle brighter in the daytime light mode and therefore improve the traffic safety. The lowering springs are made for combination with the original shock absorbers, €149. They lower the new Polo by 35 mm and therefore bring more drive dynamic agility. Also, the overall look is enhanced by this measure, as the little VW now seems significantly lower and looks far more daring. Customers seeking an even sportier look can opt for the KW Coilover Suspension made of stainless steel which can lower the car up to 65 mm €929. Upgrading the wheels is elementary in automobile tuning. For its Polo program, JE Design offers the sporty elegant wheel design, multispoke, which consists of entire wheel sets. JE Design offers them in either 7x17 inches ET35 or 7.5x18 inches ET35 with tires measuring 215/40ths R17 or 215/35ths R18. Moreover, the customer can choose between the finishes shadow silver in 17 inches altogether for €1809, in 18 inches for €1929 or black matte silver rim bead in 17 inches for €2260, in 18 inches for €2380. Also, an individual finish is available, e.g. in black matte with a bead in the car color, see pictures. JE Design will disclose the individual prices on demand. In contrast to the extremely dynamic outer look of the car, the interior is especially luxurious. The leather equipment elegance €1599 turns the cockpit into a noble travel center. Also, the steering wheel €399, the gear shift skirt and the hand brake cuff together for €179 are lined with finest leather. The color of the leather and the seam can be chosen freely and therefore individually selected, as seen on the photographs. Also, ultra suede is available in various types. Special seam stitches, as e.g., diamond cut, see images, perfect the interior, even without any surcharge. JE Design offers even more individuality with embroidering a logo according to customer preference into the backrests of the front seats, €79. For even more comfort, there is a two-stage seat heating, €379, electrically adjustable lordosis support for back-friendly travels, €319, or the massage system in the seats, €429, where the driver can indulge into a silent massage offering 12 programs and 6 massage hubs. And if there is a demand for enhancing the performance, JE Design can help soon. Performance enhancements for all diesel and TSI engines are already in development. All parts are suitable for the practical 5-door Polo, but also for the sporty 3-door model. Of course, JE Design delivers all components with a general operating license or a component part certificate by the Technical Control Board too.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.